Hello everyone. So I wanted to do this video real quick before it's going to be like a before and after kind of thing. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you what my hair looks like and also the products that I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to take a shower real quick, and then I will also at the end of it also show you what my hair looks like from whenever it's wet and then whenever it's dried after that. But this is what my hair looks like now. As you can see, like there's some waves in it, curls, whatever. But it's like, it's not really looking that good. But I got a detangling brush, which is actually for curly, coily, thick, and wavy hair. And then I also got a got to be curled hair mousse for wavy and curly hair as well. By the way, this is not sponsored whatsoever by any of these brands. And I got the Aussie Miracle Curls shampoo, as well as conditioner. And we put together, my husband and I put together this bottle of salt water. It's literally just tap water and a whole bunch of salt, like iodized salt, and then we just spray it. So there's that. And then after everything, I'm going to put my hair in this. And we also got silk pillows. Silk is supposed to help keep your hair from getting damaged in any way, so I'm going to be doing that. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. So this is what I look like right after the shower. As you can see, my hair is still wet and bogged down with water. This is what I use for my body wash. Again, none of the products that I used in this video are sponsored whatsoever. So just trying to show you what my hair looks like. See, it's like, you can see there's a little bit of wave there, but I'm going to be putting my hair up in a bonnet, and then in the morning I will show you what it looks like dry. So then maybe we can actually figure out what kind of hair I actually have. So hopefully it's between 2A and 3A, like everyone says. And again, I used this hair mousse for wavy curly hair. I used the salt water spritz. I used the Aussie shampoo and conditioner for miracle curls. And I use the Softsoap Hydrating Macadamia Oil and Soft Peony for hydration on my skin. So there's that. Sorry for being out of breath. I'm normally out of breath after I take a shower. I'll see y'all in the morning. Bye. Hello everyone. So it's officially morning. This is the bonnet that I bought. What it looks like on me after I've slept with it on for an entire night. And this is the brush that I got, which is the detangling denim brush as well. So let's take this off. That's what my hair looks like now. It's partially dry. I have a weird feeling that my hair is actually more like a 2A. But that's what it looks like. Yeah. But at the same time, my hair is like, it's like really straight for some reason whenever I'm brushing it. It's still a little wet, so. I hope y'all don't get upset if my hair isn't really wavy or curly or anything. I'm just trying to figure out what my hair type is so that I can take care of it properly. Like, you can see how straight it gets. It's like really freaking straight, and I don't know. At this point, I really don't know. But this is what it looks like after it's brushed while it's still damp. It, as you can tell, with the bonnet on, my hair didn't really dry last night. So, I guess I'll show you what it looks like after it's fully dry, once it air dries. So, I'll see you then. Hello again. So it's actually been a little over an hour, but not by much. It was 5:46 a.m. whenever I made the last segment. It is 6:21 now. So yeah, but my hair is pretty much dry at this point. I honestly don't know. My hair, I think, may be wavy, but it also kind of looks really straight. I really don't know. I used all the stuff that was recommended, but this is what my hair looks like. Here's a close-up. I just really don't know. So if you have any suggestions or anything, let me know. But at least my hair feels healthy, and it doesn't feel like wheat anymore. But yeah, just free flowing what it looks like. So so I hope you all have a great day. This is probably gonna be my last video of like hair care and stuff, what my hair looks like after like doing like a full shower and whatnot. But yeah, I have a really serious question. Why is it that last night's photo of before I took a shower, this morning's photo of after I took a shower, and my hair right now, this evening at 8:12 p.m., literally all look different hair color? And also with the before and after, this is my hair before, and this is my hair after. So Here's my before and after. I didn't dye my hair at all. All I did was literally use every single product that I was suggested to use, from the wavy / curly hair mousse, the salt water spray, and the Aussie shampoo and conditioner, as well as my silk bonnet that I wore overnight. What do y'all think?